Welcome to a new unboxing of Joey's unboxing videos. In this video, we are going to unbox the 2017 June Pro Wrestling. Excuse me. If you guys want to get this box, it's $20 a month. Please subscribe to our new channel. Let me know how you guys like this box. One of my favorite boxes every single month. Got a new camera. I got a new phone, the Galaxy S8 Plus. If you guys like the quality of this camera, please like a thumbs up. And we're gonna unbox the unboxing. Sorry that the box is all wet. It's been out in the rain. It's been raining here in Florida. Put the shirt to the side. First, we got a watch for this month. It looks like a luchador watch. Nice watch. I might use it. I've been rocking out with the Samsung Gear S watch. I might be getting the Gear S3 soon. But I definitely like this watch. Put that to the side. Next, we got the same magazine that I got in the that wrestling club, Pro Wrestling Illustrated. It's about WrestleMania, about most of the news. John Cena and Nikki Bella getting engaged. Hardy Boys return. Undertaker's retirement, farewell phenom. Goldberg versus Brock Lesnar. This was a good WrestleMania, and I live in Florida, so that's a nice magazine. Oh, we got a poster of Lucha Cuarto. I can't pronounce that. It's in Mexican, Spanish. We got all the luchadors. Mysterio Jr., you got Dragon Jr. Nice poster. The trading card for the month. Oh, nice. Owen Hart. That is a nice trading card. King of Hearts. Born in Stampede. Blaze trails to succeed, the only King of Hearts will ever need. Nice. I love the artwork of these trading cards. The artist is really good, man. Love that. And for the autograph of the month, see this? Okay. Here's the cheat sheet. Okay. Oh, all these people are famous. Look at everybody. Nice. Okay. The autograph for the month, 8x10 is... Wait a minute. Don't know who he is, guys. If you guys let me know who he is, I don't know, he looks like, if you can see that, it's fucking wet because of the male person. Asshole. I think he's from Lucha or from NXT, I don't know. And the last item on the list is nice. The King of Strong Style, Shinsuke Nakamura. So the recap for the month is the t-shirt, the autograph, the cheat sheet, the trading card of Owen Hart, the Lucha Underground poster, the Sports Illustrated magazine, the wrestling magazine, and the watch. If you guys like this, $20 a month, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next episode, Joey's Unboxing Videos. Peace.